Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist in Spotify app. If you're looking for a way to delete a playlist in Spotify, go ahead and open up your Spotify application first on your mobile device. Now, from the home page after logging into your account, go ahead and tap on your library at the bottom. Inside your library, you will be able to see all of your playlists. But make sure that you have selected playlist from the top, and after you do that, you will then be able to see your playlist on the screen. Go ahead and select a playlist you want to delete, and then once you do that, tap the three dots on the next page. In the pop-up, go ahead and tap on Delete Playlist button. Confirm by tapping on Delete again, and you will then be able to remove the playlist from your library. Once deleted, the playlist is removed from your library but may still be available to others if it was public. So that's how you easily delete your playlist on Spotify. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Spotify tutorials. I'll be back with the next video. Stay tuned.